Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So let's get started. Today we're talking about NIO stock. Obviously, this stock has been doing amazing. If you guys look at the chart doesn't lie. We've been going up in a straight line, just like Jim Cramer said. And yeah, so there's no doubt about the stock reaching $40 and it cannot stay in the 20s. I'm going to show you a tweet that I found interesting that just gives us more confirmation of this stock and where it's headed in the future. So guys, Next Level Trading on Twitter, he said he quoted Jim Cramer, who said NIO is the Tesla of China. That's Jim Cramer's words right there. And he said in the tweet, enough said, get some of this stock now in the 20s. No way it stays in the 20s. NIO will be a $40 stock soon. Buy, buy, buy. So, what do you guys think about this tweet? Do you guys agree with it? Do you guys think the stock is going to get to $40? And if so, give me a timeline in the comments. Let me know when you think it's going to get to that price, or if we're going to go beyond that before the end of this year. Just let me know. I'm curious. I want to know your guys' opinions. And yeah, the stock is in the 20s, guys. So there's no way it stays in the 20 range, guys. We need to get above 30. Once we're trading above 30, you guys know what's next. We're gonna hit 40. Obviously, this stock has only been going up in a straight line, so it's gonna continue like this as long as they keep up with production and they keep increasing their deliveries and everything, and just taking care of their customers with their services and everything. I think NIO is gonna continue to do this in the next few years, guys. This is a great stock. This is a long-term hold, in my opinion. So now to elaborate more on what Jim Cramer said. This is CNNBC. So it said this is basically Jim Cramer talking. He said, "Oh my God, NIO. Okay, so NIO was down. It's been a straight line up. NIO is the Tesla of China. I've been recommending Alibaba. That's been my Chinese play, but I recognize NIO has been a hot one. I'm not going to stick my neck out, but I'm not going to fight you if you like NIO." So right there, Jim Cramer is basically saying like he's not going to argue with you if you're into this company, because it's been performing very well. There's nothing bad he can say about it, really, other than it's just been hot. That's it. So guys, I want to talk about NIO and the institutional investors. So they're eating up the stock. You guys know that right now one of the largest holders of NIO Inc. is Bailey Gifford and Co. So they own 97 million shares, which is right now is a total value of $2 billion. I want to say around there. So you guys, they actually sold some shares though recently. They had so many they had to sell. I guess they were just trying to get some profit, because I'm pretty sure they invested early on. So that, obviously they want to get some money and probably use that to invest into other things, or buy back into NIO. Who knows? But anyway, I do want to talk about the NIO stock forecast, guys. The price targets overall. We do know that the overall, the 12-month forecast at the high end is saying that NIO should be trading at $40. Now, average price targets is currently at $21, but we're way beyond that. We're actually at $27, guys. We actually ended up reaching 29 recently, as you guys have heard and seen. But the low end prediction is still around $7. Obviously, this is not going to happen anymore. It would be amazing if NIO went back to $7. Just like Goldman Sachs when they downgraded the stock when it was $12, but that never happened. Even when NIO was actually hovering around the $11 to $12 price range, and never went down to $7. Actually, it never even went down below $10. So oddly enough, I don't think this is gonna happen. Even if analysts are saying that it's during a market crash it could go back down to $7, I think that if something happens and the market crashes like it did on March of this year. People are saying that could happen sometime this month or next month. If that happens, I think the price could be slashed by half, but I don't think it would lose more than 50%, to be honest, of the stock price right now currently. So it going back to $7 would mean the stock would lose $20, guys, and that would be more than half. That would be like 70% right there, or around there, guys. So NIO right now has been forming a bullish staircase channel. So what do you guys think about this? You guys see this happening as well? Here in the trading view chart, you can see how people are saying that it's going to end up reaching $40. And these predictions, basically the way this chart has been forming, this analyst, or this guy from the trading view community, he said basically that it could reach $40 around towards the end of November. So I don't know. I mean, it could be sooner. It could happen You know, if we have successful results, you know, coming up with quarter 3 and everything, if they can turn a profit, if they can deliver better than expected, you know, sales numbers and margins, then we can actually see this getting to $40 sooner, actually. Because keep in mind, the stock went from literally $22 to around $29 in the span of like 48 hours. That was October 14th recently when it went up, guys. You know, currently NIO's market cap is around $30 billion. So once we do get to 40, which is right now one of the price targets that most people are agreeing with, like short term, I guess, happening right here within this year, I think that we can go actually beyond that. But if we do head towards 45, which is my honest price target, I don't think we're just gonna get 40. I think we're gonna reach 45, maybe even 50 by the end of this year, like I said on my community post. But if it does reach that price level, then we would be seeing NIO with a 50 billion market cap, guys. That's insane to even think about. It would pass other vehicle makers by far. And it obviously wouldn't get near Tesla yet, but if you would have asked someone at the beginning of this year, you know, where they saw this stock going by the end of 2020, I would bet you none of them would say it would reach these prices, $30. You know, no one saw this coming, guys. This stock has exceeded everyone's expectations. So 50 bill or 100 bill market cap is not impossible, guys. Two of my favorite things in 2020 is Coca-Cola and NIO, guys. NIO has been netting us amazing profits, so you know it's safe to say that this is one of my favorite things right now is this company and also Coca-Cola. So it's pretty cool how they showed a can that with the NIO symbol. That's pretty nice. I'll actually get one of these, and so I can collect it, put it in my room or something. So when I record a video showing, you know, my room and showing my face and everything, so you guys can see that in the background, that would be kind of lit. Anyway, NIO automatically follows the owner's key. So I'm guessing she's the owner and she has her key in one of her pockets. And obviously this car is using sensors and cameras to make sure that it can follow the owner safely, and so it's not blocking other cars from moving and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, guys. Again, I want to just look at the website right here, guys, on services. So this is the whole NIO as a service you know, thing that they got going on, ecosystem that they got forming right now is, you know, NIO House, guys. This is pretty much like an area where customers can hang out, chill. There's a library, cafe, forums for people to speak, hold events, and there's a bunch of other stuff, guys. There's a living room as well. This would honestly be great during a time when we weren't dealing with the pandemic and stuff, because, you know, imagine being there with masks and everything. It just would defeat the purpose. But anyway, I'm guessing, you know, in the post-pandemic world, this would be pretty cool, guys, to, you know, be a part of, to talk to other NIO owners and to engage with them, you know, and share ideas as a community. That would be great. Also, like the NIO service, guys, you guys already know about this. Is the battery as a service, where they will literally come to you, charge your vehicle if you need a charge, and they offer lifetime quality assurance. It's for free and assistance. So right under NIO Power, you see the NIO Power swap technology being featured right here. You guys can see a video. So here you see the cool garage, and when you need a new battery that's fully charged, you go inside here, and the process is only takes about 5 minutes from what I've seen. So that process is a lot quicker than charging your vehicle with one of these chargers. So that's pretty innovative and great for this company. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys, for this video. I'm very bullish on this company. I think that this stock can reach $45, to be honest. I think it's going to go beyond that. Let me know what you guys think. Also, there's a bunch of links in the description. Check them out, guys, if you guys want free stocks. So if you guys enjoyed this bullish content, definitely subscribe to my channel. Click the button for notifications so you guys don't miss out on my future videos. And that's going to be all. See y'all later. Peace out.